true. Every day feels bright and new. Prissy's got her happy home. Never again will she roam alone, with Gunner by her side to play, and her cat tower where she naps all day. Chasing sunbeams through the halls, answering back to love's sweet calls. Gunner's bark is a friendly cheer. Prissy purrs 'cause she's safe right here. Prissy's got her happy home. Never again will she roam alone, with Gunner by her side to play, and her cat tower where she naps all day.